Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. With Israel-Iran conflict still not over yet, gold is still holding its ground amid selling seen yesterday, met with buying at lower levels, which indicates geopolitical risk premium underway. However, gold is expected to remain volatile this week, with resilient macro cues from US leading to expectations of Fed pivot being shifted to July while longer-term trend still remains bullish for gold as rate cut take place in second half of the year. Technically, intraday support for gold is around 71,800 and 71,200, while resistance is seen around 73,200 and 73,700. Going ahead with base metal update, base metal are expected to trade within a range following the release of mixed economic data from China, while growth surpassed expectations in the first quarter, boosting confidence in the government's ability to achieve its annual target. Both retail sales and industrial output figures fell short of estimates. Additionally, pressure from a strengthening dollar and negative sentiments prompted officials to unexpectedly weaken defense of the offshore yuan, pushing it closer to a policy red line. Technically, copper intraday support is around 820 and 814, and resistance is seen around 837 and 842. Going ahead with energy update, crude oil prices have once again climbed in the early Asian hours today as Israel vowed to respond to an unprecedented attack by Iran, keeping tensions elevated in the Middle East. Meanwhile, consumption has also been running at a good pace in leading economies, with data today showing China's first quarter growth beat expectations. Thus, buyers will be mostly positive for the day. Intraday crude oil support is around 7,090 and 7,015, while resistance is seen around 7,230 and 7,400. On currency front, for today, rupee likely slipped below 83.50 to a lifetime low, pressured by dollar's broad rally on risk aversion and data that indicated that the US Federal Reserve could hold off from cutting interest rates. Dollar stood just off its highest since early November against a handful of peer currencies, raising intervention worries as the yuan languished at its lowest level since 1990, following hotter than expected US retail sales. Major economic data are US building permits, US housing starts, US industrial productions, Fed Chair Powell speak, US Bank of England government Bailey speaks. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.